Yo, perfect timing. Bruce gonna give an update on the 76 FXE. Bike came out great. Runs great, looks great, sounds great. A lot of upgrades on this. Mark did the whole thing on this, rewired the whole bike. Signals, gauges, controls, vintage controls, SNS, flywheels, pistons, cam. We stroked it out, 80-inch. Dyna 2000i ignition. Mark, we did charging system. I mean, the whole 9 yards on this 76 shovel head. Tires, all the normal stuff when you redo it. But great find here. This older style Lockhart oil cooler. Gonna be very happy that we found that. That was a barn find that we had come across, but bike came out great. We kept a lot of the original decals on it. And I believe on this, we tagged it as a 76 FXE, but it has an 80 FLH transmission.
78 or 80.
Yeah, 78 or 80 FLH transmission. But the bike came out great. All original, well not all original, but he picked it up, got it back to how he wanted it, upgraded some stuff, obviously progressive shocks, front and rear. But it looks beautiful. Runs great. Let's see how it goes. This is always the telltale. Bruce, we're really happy with it. Mark's got a bunch of miles on it. We're ready to go. So 76 FX, almost a restoration. That's about it.